Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Google Play Store, first open up the Google Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Play Store application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. And then this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here just below the personalization in play. Tap on settings, and again on this interface at the top of the list there is the general option available for us. Tap on the general option, and when you land on the general option or this menu opens up, you can see the theme option available for us, which is the fourth one just below the notifications. Tap on the theme, and then this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to turn on dark mode, you can see there is the dark mode and the light mode. In order to turn on the dark mode, tap on the dark mode and tap on OK, and then dark mode will be enabled on your Google Play Store. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.